YouTube is available worldwide. You can watch it from anywhere in the world on a mobile phone or computer. Using this method, you can watch simple YouTube videos just like this one right here. Share it, and for every time anyone watches it through your link, you'll make money. Please make sure not to make any mistakes regarding the steps we do, because if you miss out one step, you'll have to do it all over again. So sit tight and let's make money. Now the first thing you need is to have a YouTube account. I'm assuming that most of you watching the video already have a YouTube account. In case you don't, just click sign in and sign in with your Google account. And if you don't have a Google account, you can just create a new one. It's totally free. Once you log in, one thing that you'll notice on the left is there is a section here where you can see the best of YouTube. And from that, YouTube will show you the best performing videos. For example, we have music, sports, gaming, movies, news, and so on. But in this video, we're talking about a secret strategy that nobody's talking about. Guys, this is what I want you to do. Click on the gaming category, and from there, that's going to take you to this page. As you can see, there are millions of people watching these videos on YouTube. So right now, I want to give you the first tip. I want you to focus on this category of videos, which is Free Fire. Guys, this is one of the most popular games right now, which is trending. They're picking up a good trend right now, so there's a lot of traffic here. The viewers are getting more and more, and a lot of people want to watch these kinds of gaming videos, and you could be on this, utilizing the opportunity, so go to gaming. Find this Free Fire, and then you're set. Just look at all these live streaming videos that are running right now, and all you gotta do for the next step is to click on any one of these live videos. For example, if I click on this one, that's gonna take me to this page where they're running live streaming and a lot of people are watching. There's a massive demand and a lot of opportunities to make money online on these kinds of videos. So make sure to keep watching until the end, and I'll show you exactly how you do it and make a lot of money from this. And yes, you can repeat this again and again for a lot of different YouTube videos. Now to turn this into actual money, we have to go to our first website. This website is called 7r6.com. Here, you basically have the opportunity to shorten the URL links, which you can later turn into money. But don't worry, I'll make it simple for you. It's much easier than you think. So the concept is really simple. Just sign up for a free account on 7r6.com, and from there, you'll have to shorten different URL links of different YouTube videos. Here's how you can do it. If you're watching this YouTube video, there is a share option under the video, which you can click, and that'll give you a URL link for the particular video along with some other options. From there, I want you to click on the copy button so it goes into your clipboard. And now, we just have to go back to the website 7r6.com and paste the link into this box right here and click on this little green button. After that, this website will automatically help convert and shorten the long YouTube link into a brand new special link, as you can see it right here. Now for every single time when people click on this special link, you're gonna get paid, and that's exactly how all of these guys are making big money right here on this website, every single day. Once you've earned your money, you're able to cash out your earnings into your PayPal account or any other payment options like these guys here are doing. Okay, now to go back to the homepage, click on the sign up button over here, fill in these details, username, email address, password, and click register. Once you log in, this is how it looks inside. This is your dashboard, and what you're gonna do right now is to click on this button, new shortened link, and this is where we're gonna paste that YouTube video that we just watched. So go back to the video, click on share, click on copy, come back here, click on new shortened link, paste it in here, and you're done. You can make alias here, but you don't have to, as it's optional. Click on shorten and you'll get your link in a second. And this is the shortened link, which is gonna make us money. A lot of money. Now I want you to go back to YouTube and repeat the same process for up to 4 to 5 different videos. The more videos that you copy, the more money you're gonna make. The bonus tip I want to share with you is, I want you to focus on this particular category. Because you're going to be making a lot of money, and I want you to focus particularly on live streaming videos. As you can see, there are a lot of live streaming videos. And if you click on each one of those, you can get their link and you can start making money with this. Because with this amount of people watching, this is the perfect traffic. All we have to do now is leave the traffic to our shortened links. The second website is called streamcommunity.com. This is basically a gaming website platform where a lot of people are discussing different strategies to play different games, and right now on the Free Fire, there's so many different discussions going on. A lot of people are talking about this game, and it's just so trending that they're getting millions and millions of views every day. This is going to be your biggest opportunity. Steam is going to become your best friend. You can see a lot of active topics here, and now combining the power of 7r6.com, you can make a lot of money from all these YouTube videos. What you can do is that you can sign up for a free account on the Steam community, and you can open up a trend, put up a post, and share your shortened link into the Steam community, from where you're going to be getting a lot of clicks. A lot of people will review your link, click on it, and watch the video. So from every single click, you're going to be making money, and just from one video, you could be making like hundreds and even thousands of dollars. Isn't that cool? Do you know what else is cool? Leaving a comment down below and letting me know about the things that you're going to do with all the money you make. But now, for those of you who are still watching, I want to give you my second tip that'll help you earn more money compared to other people on the platform. Now this is going to be a secret website that I never share with anyone. But today, just for you guys, I want to let it out. Our third website of the day is going to be moot.us. So www.moot.us. This is a special forum where you can find different people sharing things about different games, and there are a lot of people posting up different images, different photos, and different videos. As you can see, there are a lot of games here, along with Free Fire, and they're getting hundreds and thousands of views. If you focus on this category, if you watch these live videos and live streaming videos, you could get a lot of money. Just copy the link by clicking the share button, shorten it, and paste it on these websites. You can just go there and post a comment saying that there's a new video out on the game, and then just paste your shortened link in the comments and write something like this: "The best gameplay so far, click to watch it." People are gonna go and watch those videos through your link, and you'll be making money in the process. You don't have to put a lot of effort because these particular gaming videos, they're picking up a lot of trends, and they're just super popular right now, especially if you're finding good videos on YouTube. These are getting a lot of views, and it's going to be easy getting a lot of clicks on your shorter links. Once again, this is 100% free, and this is available worldwide, so you can do this wherever you live on the planet. Guys, that's exactly how all these people can make so much money from different countries in the world for every single video that gets watched through their links. And that was it for today, money lovers.